ever had a guest walk up to your front desk and say, "Hey, your Wi-Fi is very terrible," or any guest sitting to your restaurant next to the router and even can't load Instagram or Facebook or even cannot scroll the YouTube Reels or Instagram Reels? So today I'm going to tell you exactly why that's happening and how can you fix that. And the answer is not only buying the expensive routers. Stay with me and exactly I'm going to tell you why every hotel, most of the IT have a same complaint receiving from the guest, even the front desk and restaurant reservation team also. Welcome back to Hospitality IT Guy. I'm Rahul and working as a IT specialist in hospitality industry since last few years. So today I'm going to break down in this channel how can you fix this issue. Most of the IT having same issue, receiving the complaints and all the things. So stay with me and I'm going to explain you not only theoretical, practically I'll show you how to fix it. Most hotel routers have and access point have a device limit. Like some of the routers have 30, 40, 50 device limited single access point. It gets sometimes overloaded. Think of it like a single road and passing with the 50 cars trying to pass in the same time. You need multiple access point, one per floor or one per every 20-25 device. This is called proper access management point and the placement of the access point. I see this constantly hotel put their Wi-Fi inside the back office or inside a metal cabinet or a corner room and then wonder why guests are complaining and sitting in the lobby. They are not getting any signals of Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi signals travel in all the direction. So what you need to do, you need to put your router middle of the lobby or middle of the restaurant where easily guests can see receive the signals or all the things, not inside the elevator or avoid to put in a behind the wall. The next reason could be the guest and the staff are on the same network. Like this is the big issue. Like your housekeeping team is using YouTube and all the things, streaming on the videos, and the guest also using in the same signal or same network. So you must separate your network into two, at least two, or use the VLAN to separate the network. One of guest of one of for staff and operation. This is called network segmentation and it's non-negotiable in any professional hotel setup. The next issue could be outdated router firmware. Like your router has a software inside it. So this is called firmware. Most hotels never updated old firmwares. Always they are using so it could be a slower performance and security vulnerabilities and bugs that could slow down your network also. Logging into your for that, if you want to check your firmware update log, so just log in your router and check when firmware was last updated. The next issue could be insufficient bandwidth from your ISP as well. Sometimes the problem isn't your network or equipment, it's the internet plan you are buying or you're paying for that. A 50 hotel room or 150 guest room cannot run with the 50 Mbps Wi-Fi setup. A general rule budget is at least 1 or 2 Mbps per guest device. Do the maths for your property and compare it what you are actually paying for, and if there is a big gap, just call your ISP and talk to them and they will give you a proper solution. So to summarize, slow hotel Wi-Fi is usually caused by too many devices per access point, bad placement of the access point, mixed Wi-Fi signal for the staff and the guest as well, outdated firmware or not enough bandwidth. Fix this few points and just do the survey of your network and let's check it, and I hope this will help you more better to call it. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up and it really helps this channel grow. Subscribe for more practical hospitality IT content every week and comment below. Tell me which Wi-Fi problem is the most common in your hotel. So I read every comment and see you in the next video. That's all.